is you cross the street and there's the school and he couldn't even be here and it's like, I feel a bit nauseous, that feeling, you know?
Okay.
In your gut. Let's just tear this off.
And you wanted to play it in the take, right?
It doesn't, you don't have to feature it because we are going to see them really, really featured.
So we should roll them.
Yeah, let's do it like this so we protect it.
Good idea.
What I've got here off of this is kindling, like really.
Rolling?
You got that?
Yeah. Come closer for the slate.
Do I need a blue thing though?
How much are we seeing here? Let me just check. No. You're good. We're not, nothing on Leo. Yeah, with the sign. Here we go. Sound.
Sweet. Okay.
And action, everybody. Pretend you have a sign, Saul.
Good height?
Yes. Roll camera. Sound.
Sweet.
And that's perfect. Action.
All of you.
Cut. That was nice. I just do one more quick on Sam. His face got a bit buried. Sam? Sam? Jacob, sorry. Just a moment. Just this hug. Your face got a bit buried. Just out here.
Just right now?
Yeah. Action.
Guys, check this out. I'll hug you.
Cut. Very good, very good. I got that. I got that. I got that. Let's just get tone right here. 1 minute of tone, yeah?
Yeah.
Do we need it?
Yeah.
Very good. I got that.
You want to get wild for the.
Yes, I do. Lena? Did I say that right?
There you go.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, you did.
Loving it. Loving it. Look
Nice.
at my $10.
That's very
Thank
smart.
you.
A smart idea.
Thanks,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
Wasn't
Emily.
ours. Here we go. Yay. Yeah, that's right. She got it. Woo.
You know, take the 10 away from her.
Yeah,
Next.
no, right? Top 10.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Yeah,
There you go. Yeah, it's good.
So you know all these guys?
Kind of.
Kind of. Sort of. Now you do.
Atticus.
Bam. Yay.
So this is Wild Lines, Leo and Saul, scene 58 with the heads on, approaching the school. And action.
You think he's even here?
I have no idea.
Do you think he's even here?
I don't have a clue.
Is he even gonna be here?
And this is without the heads, scene 59 at the gates, Leo and Saul. Action. Very quiet, very, very quiet. Action.
Wait.
What?
Let's just stay by the gate. We'll do it here.
Okay. Okay. gonna be great, man.
Anything else you want to do?
I love you, Ingrid.
We got it. Okay, thank you very much.